Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will be showing you measurement and cutting of simple blouse with boat neck. So this is the fabric. Now first I will cut the front side. So width will be like whatever the measurement of your bust is, take half of it and then add 6 more inches to it. Like mine is 38 inches, half of 38 is 19 and I will add 6 more inches to it, so it makes 25. So this is 25-inch wide fabric. Here you can see I have folded this in half and it is 12 and a half. Now I will mark the length of my blouse. So whatever length you want for your blouse, add 2 more inches to it. So this is the measurement. So I want 15 inch. So I've added 2 more inches to it. So it makes 17 inches. 17 inches here, and here I have given 1.5 inch of gap for the folding at the bottom side of the blouse, and here I have made the line also. So from the folded side I will start giving the marking. So first I will take half of my shoulder measurement. So my shoulder is 15, half of that is 7.5. So I will minus half inch from it and I will mark 7 inch here, because in blouse we minus half inch from our total shoulder width. So here I have marked 7. Now I will mark the 7-inch long line here for the armhole. From here also I will make sure it should be 7 only. Now I have made this line. Now mark the measurement of your bust. So whatever the measurement of your bust is, divided by 4 and mark it here. Like mine is 38. 38 divided by 4 is 9.5. For the armhole measurement I will take 1 inch from this corner and then I will give a curve touching this line like this. Now for the boat neck I will take 4 inch for the neck width, so that I will get 2.5 inch of total shoulder, and 1/4 inch down I will mark shoulder drop like this. Now for the front armhole I will measure this part of the line and take half of it and make 2 cm or 3 cm long line, and touching this line I will make a curve like this. So this will be our front armhole measurement. Now for the neck depth I will take 3.5 inch and then I will make a boat shape here. Now for the darts I'm going to take 4 inch from the folded side and mark a point. Now I will mark the highest point of my bust. So from the shoulders I will take 10 inch and I will mark a point here, because 10 inch is the highest point of my bust. From here also I will mark 4 inch and I will mark a point. Now join these 2 points and make a line. So this line is for our dart. Now from this point I will take 1.5 inch. Don't take it straight like this, take little bit up, not much, and then make a point. Now make straight line here. So this will be the line for our second dart. For third dart again we are going to take 1.5 inch from this line. Again don't take it straight, take little bit up and mark a point. Now this dot will go here. So for that mark this area from your armhole line to the bottom part and take half of it, like mine is 10, half of 10 is 5, mark a point and then join these 2 points with a line. So this will be our line for the third dart. Now again place your measurement tape here and take 1.5 inch of gap, and this line will go straight here to the armhole line. Here you can see this is 1.5 inch of gap, and then join this point to this line. So these are 4 lines for our darts. So first here I will give 1 inch of point, and then I will make a dart like this. So this is total 2 inch of dart, and in these 3 lines we are going to make quarter inch of dart. Now I will mark the measurement of my waist. So whatever the measurement of your waist is, divided by 4. So mine is 34. So I will get 8.5. So I'll mark 8.5 here. But I have to adjust this 2 inches here. So I will increase 2 inches here and mark a point here. Now measure this area. So mine is 10.5. So I will make 10.5 inch of marking here at the burst point also. So I will increase it like this. Now I will join these 2 points with a straight line. Now I'll take 2 inches for the cutting from waist side also and from the burst side also. So now my marking is done. I will cut it out. Here cutting is done. Now I will fold it like this and trace the marking to the another side also. Here you can see I've got the marking to the another side also. So here my marking is done to the both the sides. Now I will cut it from the center like so. So here my marking of front side is done. Now I will cut the back side. Now I will mark the length of my back side. So whatever length you want, like I want 15 inch, so I will add 1 inch to it. So for the back side we add 1 inch. So here I have marked 16 inch long fabric. Now I will take half of my shoulder measurement and then I will minus 1 inch from it and mark it here 7 inch, and then 7 inch long line I will make here. From here also I will make sure that it should be 7 inch only. Now make a line. Here I will mark the measurement of my burst. So whatever the measurement of your burst is, divided by 4. So I will mark 9.5 here. Now for the neck width again I will take same 4 inch, and neck length I will give 3.5. So all the measurements are same that we have given to the front side. So it is almost same. Quarter inch I'm going to give for the shoulder slope. From here I'll take 1 inch and then I will join these points with a curve. So this will be the back armhole curve. From the folded side I will take 4 inch for the dart and mark a point, and then I will make 6 inch long line for the dart. For the back side I'm taking half of inch to both the sides for the dart. So total you can take 1 inch or 1.5 inch for the dart like so. Now 8.5 is my waist measurement. I will adjust this 1.5 inch here. Now I will measure this part and then I will join these 2 points with a straight line. So this is the same measurement that we have given for the front side also. So if you want, you can keep your front side on the fabric and then mark it and then cut it out. So here my measurement is done. Now cut it out and then fold it from middle and mark all the measurements to the another side also like so. So here my back side is also done. Now I'm going to cut these sleeves. So here I have 2 pieces of fabric. So length will be like whatever length you want for your sleeves, take that much and then add 2 more inches to it. So I want 9 inch, so I'm adding 2 more inches to it, so it makes 11 inch. And width is 20 inch here. Whatever measurement you have taken for your sleeves, like I have taken 7 inch, so I will add 3 more inches to it, so it makes 10. So this is 20 inch long fabric, you have to take double. So here I have 2 pieces of 20 inch wide fabric. Here you can see this is 2 pieces. From this side it is folded. Now fold it from the middle. Now I have 4 layers of fabric. Now from the open side I will mark the cap height. So this is the open side. I will mark 3 inches for the cap height. Now from this 3 inches I will take 2 inch above a point and I'll make a line here like so. From this line I will make a curve and I'll take it to the top side. Like this I have to make the curve. Now take the middle part and make 1 inch of line. Now touching this line, make one more curve like this. So this will be the back armhole measurement and deeper one will be the front armhole measurement. From the bottom side take 1.5 inch of gap and make a line. Whatever the measurement of your sleeves is, take half of it and then mark it here. If you want, you can give little bit of ease allowance, half an inch, and then join these 2 points like so. Take 1 or 1.5 inch of extra fabric for the cutting. Now cut it out. First cut the back armhole measurement. Now take 2 pieces from this side, 1, 2, open it and then cut this front side. Here I am going to give small notch for the center point. Here my sleeves are done and it is looking like this. Like this my marking and cutting is done. So this is the back side, these two are the front side and this is sleeves. So in my next video I will show you how to stitch this simple blouse. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it then please give this video a big like, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on my Instagram handle also. All the links are below in the description box. And yes, I have my Hindi sewing channel also. So if you want my tutorials in Hindi, you can subscribe to my new channel, Fashion Updated. I will leave the link below in the description box, so you can go and check it out. And please subscribe to my new channel also. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.